Ashifobekaya, just 2 years ago, yeah, the report be brem on this particular platform about a certain lady apparently, wajia tumso a side chick. The lady in question, American one seven no, edinya, yeah, the friend on one case or court, edinya do two mono, Deborah Seyram Adabla. Na nipa or the court, no, edinya no so the friend here, NS Kwesi Nimako, who apparently was a banking executive at one of the financial banks, Omuchima First Atlantic Bank, but now no, we're recusing the one party say the bank no, he has no association with them. Into the bank no crano or much rock or mark say they want to be disassociated from the lawsuit because at the end of the day, no, it doesn't augur well for their brand and image. And the court subsequently agreed because Papa no crano in question, no, and the position he was abusing it, and ultimately, no, they let him off his position. Yes, no. And then at the end of the day, if he's not there again, why should he drag along the company or employer? No. Now, me no can say this particular Deborah Seyram Adabla, she was an NSS, okay. She was an NSS, but no, NSS National Service. I was a particular banking sector. Na NS Kwesi Nimako na oye juma wo hono. But then a brand no muye juma wo hono. Apparently no NS epa edi we two just say odo lady no openo na opesa oni lady no omokasa na kasa no mu no ene ba say obe date lady no obe date no obe renti a diamond obe man a car every month be a superman is car for the considerable amount of maybe years to come and now whatever it is for a long period of time. The lady also subsequently agreed. Actually, I said agreed, you know, also say you na sebe bre na so bre because papa no nya the ope and a lady no so nya the ope. One of the things you also have to note in all of this is that papa no krano, he also hold a position at church. Now, far from that, you know, at any question at the point in time, the lady need the ope, we need apartment, we need car, one national service onyesika. But then, according to the lady, at the point in time, you know, the money stopped coming. At the point in time, to car na papa and the man threatened to take the car. Also, apartment na papa no rent man na utua every year no papa no stop paying it. It is at the end of the day, and my lady no life ebeye basa. And the lady saying say enyo no ene or car so per se or co-relationship. Papa ne buy no the conditions buy. So in this way, no, Kamiakwe said there was a contract, okay? Because contracts, no, enyo all only written. Yeah, well, written, verbal, yeah, there. So this particular one was a verbal contract. Two consenting adults, they went into a year agreement to say this is exactly what we are going to do. And now one party is not fulfilling the end of his contract, and that's the end of the bargain. And nothing lady no at the court. Now the court, no, a brad judge need na sem no so near the no. We realize say judge Nikas, okay, for the whole matter, okay, to be you bit me dini who baby a year corner. First of all, the car in question upon the man lady no, I was see a car no, the impound no. So at the end of the day, no, you make judgment. At the end of the day, judgment is okay. Car no lady no so keep you at the bemawa. No, I bet you idea. Say car no say unya say lip upon or so or gene car no, unya say argument or making no say be a car on the mouth, but the mouth for a certain time no to me prove a document. Then ya je car no apano. A bra. Judge no Emma a year or da say uncle Jacka near found 20 Indias and we are near whom ye decano, ye bear cano. A year court bailey for the police for quite lady refused to hand over that particular car. So I can we are learning a Honda Civic. Now ultimately no. Because of that, no, judge ni buefu. Osha that particular car registration number no GC 7899-23. So I'm making a Honda Civic according to a court no, any a woman no a Sarah Seyram Adabla no price papa no ene the man and the sugar daddy no ene the man no. Now police for call some project car no or some farm more, and because of that no said judge ama order say enko fa car now so farm on several attempts then it is at the end of the day, no, it is seen as a contempt. One of the things you also have to notice that woman you crown on you can for about I think 10,000 cedis say papa in some of the court against in some of the court against the sugar daddy no. There were certain loopholes and certain things we at the end of the day no. A come question ask them here to say scam and no crowd the whole and no crowd the whole and I mean no can see no. Me no kase sia no omo call some goji car no man so on penny e ma fa car no omo fa car nko. And based on that no yes she's been held in contempt in the court and a judge my order wo dey wo se wonye eno sa no you have to use the full rigor of the law to come against you. And because of that no me no kase Joy News update here omo post said Deborah Adabla, former NSS person at the center of the banker and psychic legal dispute, jailed for 45 days for contempt of court. Now, in some way, by and I'm for see jail. Now, they've muted out the judgment, but also the judge party said umbra number availing home. Now explaining the reason why she shouldn't be held in contempt. If her explanation goes well, then she doesn't go to jail. But if her explanation doesn't go on well, then the court can say, okay, well, arguments I'll make here and still you are held in contempt and then you need to go to jail and serve the 45 days in sentence. But then ultimately, this Seyram Adabla so wababe kasa all parties say yes. In something na so about a year or no ofele say this particular judge onini ndini ye. Now the judge in question your friend John Bosco. This particular judge according to a year Adabla from the beginning of the case akamia kwesi papa on pen asem and as papa o treating no say I don't know no morally na right, so she's even wrong in the first place. But then law and court deals with facts, evidence, and how well you can present your case. And because of that also Phyllis say yes sebio niema na juma no ye na ho taxes obeto menstrual pad ni nyina no taxes ono an kan yem nam kan taxes a otua was an no eno enidi tua judge no. So until I say the taxpayers' money etua judges, and at the end of the day, almost sidelining this. Now at the end of the day, no was also edin same be to just say yes. Sa particular Justice John Bosco Namriasi or judge or preside over the case. In as much as we believe it's papa in you know, she Sarah Adabla no she avail herself. No, I court. So court no making the case now. Yes, it's still now uncle them for 45 days or court. So making the case no mujana fine because on no dear in as much as Adiwe no ninja she is a citizen who abides by the rule of law. Therefore, in same way in what you do, and here kamia kwe say papa no NS Gary sorry let me say NS Gary NS Nimako na bankan kamia kwe say he's been silent, but then ultimately he's winning at the court. Remember saying same way by the man had a wife, children, and aside from that to the position okuta was our bank ni nyina no ahwe sa position okuta was sorry so we lose. Yes, Sebio in Bema ya hemu de in social de bekom no. And at that particular lady no Sarah Adabla no Deborah Seyram Adabla ono so no sisi an opache say papa no the end of the bag no deal no mkoy on for failure car no e was say any de number 1 on was all the man papa no 2 also I was say o continue so be to rent through on no lady no be failure so be leave contract no 4 3 one other thing too is that the man has to continue to give her upkeep money. Say 3,005 every month in money. Therefore, this is exactly what is really going on. You need the insanity. You are also following the fact, say, at the end of the day, what will happen? Will she be jailed or cockota? And I want will they go and take her? But then one good thing is that she's saying, say, she wants to really comply with the law. You need the insanity to be giving you more updates as all of these various events unfold.
Where we originate from, if you want to shush somebody, you shush them with cash. Give them some fucking 10K, fucking 100K, whatever you have in your capacity, and tell them it's okay. You don't shush them with insult. Insult, then what will happen? It will fade my beauty. It will take my hairline. It's gonna make my teeth up and down, like zigzag. Nah. So come harder. Insult doesn't do anything to anybody. You cannot insult me for me to feel like, my essence no is it with you. My essence is not with you. It's with me. I am holding my essence. So in whatever case, I will decide what to do. And if you want somebody to take your opinion, you use money. Clearly, you niggas are broke. You are broke. Yet you want people to take your opinions. No. Bring money. So insult all you can. If I see a reply, when you reply and I see you don't have sense, I block you. Social media we day. Social media we day. Social media we day. You don't like somebody, yet you are wasting your data on the person. Why? You create WhatsApp platforms, post her videos there. Best case, you come on her page and leave comments. This my page is managed by 3 people. Before I wake up, some of the messages are deleted. Some when I see, I just laugh and I allow some of them. I don't care. I don't care. Your messages don't get here. Nobody will see them. Before it even gets to me, they will review it. Ashu. It's paining you people. What can you do about it? Nothing. You can't do nothing about it. Now to the icing on the cake. If I carry my body and my pet, Lolo, to your doorstep, you cannot feed her. She eats breakfast, lunch. I give her treats because she needs to do her tricks before dinner. Lolo doesn't eat bone, on pair bone or pair. Meat